Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve, and on this windy day in October, we're taking a ride around the Meadowlands. A lot of you have seen the Meadowlands on television during the Giants games and the Jets games, things like that. But you never really get to see it like this. So, this is Giants Stadium. I don't know a lot of history to share with you, but I will share with you what I know, and we can look at it together. So let's get in here, and it seems they have the parking lots closed. So I'd like to be facing it while I talk to you about it. It's not apparently going to happen, so I'll tell you a little bit about it as I drive around. So you're looking now at MetLife Stadium. So this is the successor to the original Giants Stadium. The original Giants Stadium was slightly off to the right. And what they did was, I guess the Giants outgrew it, for lack of a better term. I'm not sure that I'm allowed to be here today, so I'm just going to drive through slowly, and if anybody gives me trouble, I'll pull over. I don't know what he's saying to me. I don't think he's saying anything to me. He's not saying anything to me. Okay, so I'm not in any kind of trouble. Yay! Okay, so we're not in trouble with the police, so that's a good start to the day. So what can I tell you about it? Anyway, the new MetLife Stadium is the successor to the original Giant Stadium. It is bigger, larger capacity, can hold more people, more modern, blah, 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 blah. Let's finish this turn, and then I can talk to you more about it. Actually, maybe I'll be facing it, and then you can actually see it. Trying my best not to get killed. Alright, now at least you get somewhat of a view. So, that's it. To its left, you see Pegasus, which is a restaurant that overlooks their racetrack. I think we're going to turn around here, but I'm going to pull over a little bit just so I can show you what it is I see. Or not. Yeah. This is not the best tour, is it? I'm more curious than anybody else how to get out of here. In front of you is what used to be called Xanadu. It's now called the American something or other Mall. Funny story about that one, which I'll share with you as soon as I can find a place to pull over and talk to you like a human being. Oh, there it is, the American Dream Mall. I'll speak to you about this whole thing in just a couple of moments. I guess I'm going in here. I guess. Because that's where they're all telling me to go. Oh, look at how close we are to to MetLife Stadium. This is where the Jets play. This is where the Giants play. It's where a lot of Northern Jersey concert events happen. It's a major venue. I shouldn't be able to get this close to it right now, but thank you, COVID. Once again, I can and I am. All right, here's where I'm going to have to explain to the guy I don't have any plans to park. Just planning to turn around. Unless he doesn't care. It seems he doesn't care. Why am I so close? I mean, somebody's going to charge me for parking any time now, right? This is insanity, okay? This is pure... Wow, I feel like I'm on my motorcycle test again. Well, you're getting a great view of MetLife Stadium. You're not getting a great tour guide, but you're getting a great view. So if you're out of the New York, New Jersey area, this is as close as you can get without coming here and buying a ticket. Yep, I'm back taking the motorcycle test. So now, I think I have to bring it up to second gear and then get it to stop on the white line, right? If you've taken the test, you know what I'm talking about. This is so stupid. Okay, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be in this. But okay, I'll just do... We're serpentining and weaving, and I just want to... All right, whatever. All right, American Mall over there. Story about them, too. And if I can ever stop, I'll tell you all of the stories. I think my main thing today is going to be, how do you get out of here? Let's say you got here accidentally and you don't want to be here. Yep, we're back in the motorcycle test. You know what? I couldn't make this up if I tried. Well, at least I know I can pass the motorcycle test again if I have to. I'm not going to get to any of the stories, apparently. I'm going to call this video a fractured view of the Meadowlands. What the hell? All right, people. That's enough serpentining. You're making me dizzy, and I just want to go. All right, quick facts. Okay. A lot of bands play here. Home of the New York Giants and the New York Jets. But the New York Giants and the New York Jets play in New Jersey. Why are they not the New Jersey Giants and the New Jersey Jets? They should be. This is more or less where you're looking over there. The parking lot was the site of the original Giants Stadium. The new one here, bigger capacity, more modern venue. Really nice place. Really nice place. Down there, what used to be called the Brendan Byrne Arena. That's the one that's short on the left and it looks like a table. And over here, Xanadu, the mall from hell. What happened was they tried to build this, I'm going to guess 15 years ago. See that big ramp? It was supposed to be like an indoor ski thing, and it was supposed to be an indoor amusement park. It was supposed to be a lot of things, and it ran out of money. And it sat there and became a huge eyesore for 15 years or so in New Jersey. Nobody had the money to fix it. Then about a couple of years ago, they decided to turn it into a mall. And they worked to open up what's called the American Dream Mall. And it is now an open mall. But unfortunately, just as they opened, the pandemic struck. Thank you again, COVID. So it opened up, limited access and so on. So I'm sure they'll get on their feet, once they get going. In there, they also opened a Nickelodeon World. I haven't seen the Nickelodeon World, but it's supposed to be like an indoor kind of a thing. Meet SpongeBob, like rides for the kids, all kinds of stuff. Haven't seen it yet because it's, pandemic time. Thank you again, COVID. Anyway. Can't see it anymore, but in that direction, you saw it earlier in the video. So horse racing track. It's also a beautiful restaurant called Pegasus, and Pegasus overlooks the track. So you can eat, bet, lose your dinner, get your dinner, and lose your money all in one shot. Fun fact, over there, what used to be the Brendan Byrne Arena, whatever they named it now, that's where my college graduated from. So they rented it out, and the entire arena was filled with parents, and the entire base was filled with college kids. Back here, during one of the concerts, my wife and I, we saw the Eagles reunion tour. I think it was When Hell Freezes Over. And that was called that because I think when the Eagles broke up, they said they'll get back together again when hell freezes over. Hence, When Hell Freezes Over tour. So we saw that over here, and the opener was a young unknown who had her first hit record, and that was Sheryl Crow. So nobody knew who she was. And I think her song, her number one song at the time was All I Want to Do Is Have Some Fun. I think that's what it's called. So we saw her, and we had floor level seats. So we were like right on top of these people. An idiot that I am, I didn't think to bring a camera. That wouldn't have been a good idea. See the Eagles, Sheryl Crow, and no, you won't want a picture of that kind of stuff. That would be stupid. Anyway, I think we've seen about as much of MetLife Stadium as you're going to be able to see today. You'd never know it, but right now there's a game going on. No joking. It's Washington versus the Giants. Parking lot, it's completely empty except for whatever loop I just got myself into. Thank you again, COVID. But yeah, there's a game going on right now. Other thing they do at this parking lot on Saturdays is they use it as a giant flea market. It's like hundreds of booths and vendors and, they're selling all kinds of different things. It's exactly what you imagine a flea market is going to sell. Sunglasses, hut, and, electronic toys, and all the rage, personalized face masks. Yeah. I'm waiting for everybody to get rid of the face masks. I'm not waiting for a personalized version of it. All right, so this is a rather strange and bizarre episode, but it does give me enough time to say to you that please leave me your comments. Please give me a like if you liked it. Please subscribe and you'll know whenever I post something. I try to post something every week. It is getting colder in the Northeast, so posting is going to become a bit more difficult. So I'm trying really hard to be able to stock them up. So in one ride, I'm trying to make 3 or 4 videos. Anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, send me your comments, send me your feedback. My name is Steve. You're watching Motorcycle Vision. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'll see you next time. Ride safe and bye-bye.